guys. So it's Saturday and I just woke up. I slept in today because I took my OB-GYN shelf yesterday, and let me tell you, I was so tired. If you know me, when I have an exam, I put aside everything and study for that exam. So it's been a crazy week, but thank God that's over. I woke up to this beautiful, beautiful view from my apartment, so you can enjoy some of that for free. But yeah, it's always beautiful in Miami, I would say. There is a few times when we have some rainfall, but overall, I love it. So today we're going to be doing some cleaning, and I wanted to show you guys what my Saturday will be like. I'll be cleaning, shopping, and all that good stuff. So I'll begin with the bedroom, and then we'll clean up the bathroom. I was just showing you there's some marks from maybe eyeliner or whatever, but I'm gonna clean up all of that gunk, put all that stuff away. Yeah, just do a lot of cleaning in this bathroom. I was trying to show off with my Aquaphor lotion there. It's a good moisturizer. It just looks like your regular Vaseline ointment, but I love it. It was recommended by my sister, so you should try it. But yeah, we'll clean up that mirror. Look at that. Ew, look at that spot there. We'll be taking all of that off. Clean up the bathtub. The bathtub doesn't drain like it's supposed to, so every few days I have that residue build up there, so I have to wash my bathtub every weekend. Yep, so more cleaning is needed in the kitchen, so we'll have to clean all that, wash my dishes and pots. I finished all my food that I had left on Friday, so I have nothing left. We're gonna take out that trash. Guys, I've had this box for over 2 weeks now, and I've just been lazy, so we have to take that out today. Look at my couch. After my exam yesterday, I was so tired and wasted, so I had to take a nap. I just left from the desk to that couch, and I was knocked out in a few minutes, so we have to clean all of that today, and hopefully when we're done, it's going to be looking as beautiful as this view. So join me, let's start our day. So after doing my morning prayer, I go ahead and wash my face with some Cetaphil face wash. I have very sensitive skin, so I have to use something very mild. So I'm just going to wash my face for about a minute or two, wash it up, pat dry, and then once my face is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead with the St. Ives acne scrub. Scrub my face again for a minute, let it dry, and then I'm going to wash it off. Once I'm done, I pat it dry. Sometimes I use my bath towel. It doesn't matter to me. So once that's completely dry, I moisturize with some Pond's, and then let's go ahead and clean. what it looks like after the cleaning and organizing. Not perfect, but presentable. So I like it. Now the bathroom, I did a lot of cleaning and scrubbing to take away all that stain that was on the sink and the mirror. I put away all the stuff that was on the side, so I like it. I also went ahead and cleaned the bathroom. I had to do a lot of scrubbing to take out that residue. I also threw away some stuff that was hanging. It was just collecting dirt, so I had to throw it away. The toilet looks beautiful. Everything is nice and clean. So let's go over to the kitchen. I went ahead and put some foil paper on the stove top just to protect it because it gets black after a while. Don't worry about the dishes and pots. I'm going to put them away once they're dry. Everything is nice and clean. I cleaned the refrigerator off camera because the video was getting too long. As you can see, it's very empty. So we're going to go ahead now and do some shopping once we're done. Cleaned up the couch, organized everything. My desk looks clean and organized. And I think I did a good job, and I'm hoping that now it looks as beautiful as this view. Come on, give me some credit. Took a bath. Of course, I have my mask. Let's go do some shopping. Somebody tried to break in and I had no idea. So, but anyways, it's about 3. I was trying to get some Subway, which was a fail. So I just went ahead and went to Joann's Fabric. And then I was starving, so I had to go to a buffet, which was close by. That's my first plate. My second, yep, I was starving. And once I was done, I was so full and tired. Stomach is full. We have some energy. I went to Publix to start doing my grocery shopping. So come with me. My demons were trying to tempt me to get some ice cream, but I resisted. We're not going to do that today. We're trying to lose some weight, but I couldn't resist the malt. So I had to get, struggling to focus there. But yeah, I did get one of those. There's about 6 of them in there. So I got one of those. Tried to get some veggies. I was actually looking for spinach, but I couldn't find it here. So some plantain. Can you imagine 5 for $3? So 5 plantains for 1,500 francs. Ooh, my goodness. You can't save in this country. But anyways, trying to grab some bell peppers. I like getting the green, red, yellow for my Cameroon flag. And then I also found some habanero, which I always need. Makes my food spicy. I was trying to get some mangoes here, 5 for $5. So 1 mango for what? 500 francs, and they're so old and twisted, so I ended up not getting them anyways. Trying to get some tomatoes. Ooh, I finally found my spinach. So, woohoo! Gonna have some spinach on Sunday. I also went ahead and grabbed some orange juice and some other stuff, which I'm trying to show you here. I forgot my apples, so I had to go back and grab me some apples. I love the red ones. My version of Jack Daniels, I found some plantain leaves. I normally get fresh okra, but I didn't have any, so I just got the frozen one. And I think we're all done. So I'm a Walmart girl, so Publix is pricey for me. but I needed to do this today, and the Walmart was further than Publix. So we're done. Let's go check out. $37. It better not go over $100, else I'm gonna start a fight at this store. I'm cheap like that, okay? Next up, Burlington and Ross. I haven't been to Burlington in a million years, so I had to go there. Battery was running low, so I did not record. But once I was done, I was on my way back home. Beautiful view there. That's all what I got. So I just have to put them away. I also got some water, which I already put away. So at that point, I was very tired. It was about 8 p.m. So the rest of the evening, I just watched some movies, and then I ended up going to bed. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.